It's all-American food taken to the next level. You are looking at the ultimate gourmet hot dog party. From quality hot dogs to all of the tasty topping options, Kimmy Hughes is sharing all of the details on this perfect summertime celebration. It's so great to meet you. Great to have you. I love a good hot dog.
Me too.
I do. And we tend to have these, at least in my family, only once a year. And I always find myself saying they're a great party food. Why don't we have them more often? You recently did this hot dog bar idea for a party.
I did. My son recently graduated from high school, and we wanted to do something where it would feed a crowd, wasn't expensive, and we didn't know how many people were coming because it was over Memorial Day weekend.
Right.
So if we knew if we had leftovers, they would be eaten. And hot dogs can be frozen after they're cooked.
Oh,
so we were like, I got on Pinterest and I saw all these fun bar options. You could do taco bars, nacho bars, and let's do a hot dog bar. So,
well, you've grown it up in the way that you've done it too. So hot dogs typically can be reserved for the kids at the end of the table. These are grown-up hot dogs. These are gourmet.
Yes, you could use a regular hot dog, a good old traditional Frank, or you can use a brat, which the men like, honestly, they love the brats. So I went and I did have brats for that day, but today I brought us some good old American hot dogs.
I'm here for it.
And so what I did was we served regular hot dog buns and a big like hoagie bun, which can fit a brat. But you could put a normal hot dog in there too, because once you start adding all the toppings and fillings, it could build up. So
I was going to say you have a few easy barbecue sides, nice compliment, but you're going to get pretty loaded with what you put on your dog. You've got a menu full of different ideas. Will you walk us through three?
Yes. So today we're going to build a Hawaiian dog.
Okay.
And that has barbecue sauce.
Can we do it right now?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Yeah, grab a...
I got a brat bun.
Yes.
I'm going to go heavy on the carbs.
And if you're worried like your bun is going to soak everything up, just grill your buns.
Okay.
And that will hold it all
right,
in.
So Hawaiian, what am I doing?
Yes, you can put pineapple. You could use crushed or tidbits.
Yep.
And here's tidbits. Go for that.
You bet.
Yeah. I just opened up a can. Whatever you have in your pantry. If it's crushed, if it's tidbits. And then red onion. If you don't have red onion, you could definitely use the good old white onion.
Go easy on the onion.
I love onion.
Okay.
All right. And then you're going to need cilantro. Are you a cilantro person?
I love cilantro.
I know some people aren't. I'm huge on that. And then any flavor barbecue sauce. You could use sweet, anything. So I have the good old traditional.
Let's do it. That's our Hawaiian.
Because usually that's what everyone already has in their fridge.
Come on in, Ty. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Hold on. Wait for it. Oh, wait for it. Wait for it some more. Money shot. Here we go. All right, Kimmy, what's our second combination?
Okay, our second one is, the Reuben. I didn't think I was going to like this one, and I actually had two after the party was over.
Did you?
Yeah, oh gosh, we ate so many hot dogs. We actually cut them in half so we could try more.
Oh, that's smart. You could sample the different combinations.
Yes, it was so fun. Okay, so for this one, you need Thousand Island dressing.
Okay, here, I'll be your sous chef.
Yeah, go for it.
Dressing's going first.
Okay, yes.
Then what?
And cheddar cheese.
Oh yeah, throw in some cheese there. I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh, you got the good cheese, good job.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, then.
Okay, and then that you need sauerkraut. And this is where I was like, sauerkraut,
You're like, I don't know about that.
I didn't know if I would like it.
Yeah.
And I loved this.
Did you? Isn't it funny what surprises you?
And I'm not a sauerkraut person.
Okay.
So, and that is your Reuben dog.
Look at that. Simple, easy, but stacked and full. All right, third flavor combination.
Okay, this one's funny. This one's fun. It is the barbecue sundae.
The barbecue sundae?
It's called the barbecue sundae.
Here, I'll give you a brat. That sounds intense. Here.
Okay.
What goes on this girl?
This is so fun. Okay, most barbecues have Boston baked beans or baked beans on their counter, you know, serving up. So you're gonna lather.
Why not? Just pile it on.
I loved baked beans and hot dogs as a kid. So this is a hit for me. And then you add coleslaw.
Really?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Yes, trust me, it's so good.
You have my trust.
Yes. And then these are already two side dishes that you're already serving up, and they could be used as a topping.
Okay.
And that is your barbecue
sundae.
Barbecue
sundae. Yes. That's hilarious. Look at this. We've got hot dogs to feed a crowd, and someone can also go freestyle, of course, if they want. But I would stick to Kimmy. She's got some good combinations for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Where can we get more food ideas and inspiration from you?
Well, I'm on Instagram at She's in Her Apron, but to find me on YouTube with She's in Her Apron, I share a ton of cooking, ways to make easy, affordable meals, make-ahead meals like freezer meals.
Great.
So yeah, come visit me.
In her apron.
Yes.
We'll meet you there, and we will link you there from our website, studio5.ksl.com. Just click on the recipe tab, and you'll find that link and also the flavor combinations that we shared on today's show. Thank you so much. A hot dog bar. I don't know, hamburgers might have met their match this summer. A fun party idea, as we said, to economically feed a crowd.